only one that's out here that's sad for the holidays? Am I the only one? Anybody else out there feeling like they just don't want to be bothered? It's hard to get up in the morning. You just don't care. I pray for you too. Pray for me, okay? The blahs, the doldrums. We know the devil comes to steal, kill, and destroy. That's what he wants. He wants us to be down, miserable. And now that those words are coming out of my mouth, I hate to even speak certain things out of my mouth because it can become a self-fulfilling prophecy. What we speak it and you shall receive it. So we're going to rebuke the devil. And I know, trust me, I'm not here on no spiritual anything like that. This is my second video. My first one is about the blahs and my blahs for the holidays, but my blahs basically come from the passing of my father, who was the closest person to me. And when you have a loss, if you haven't experienced a death in your family, then you're blessed. You're blessed. You're blessed. It is not easy, especially you've been with that person all your life, and that person, you're very close to that person. You do everything together. It's a good person. They always have your back. You have theirs. And now it's the holiday season when you all get together. If you don't get together any other time, you're now getting together. And now that person is gone. So it's extremely hard for me. Yes, my dad was a girl dad. Definitely a girl dad. My dad was so good to me. And everybody who knew him, knew me, knew us. Everything that came out of their mouth was, your dad loved you so much. Your dad always talked about you. Your dad was so proud of you. He enjoyed the things that I do. I'm a singer. I'm a performer. He would always come support. The holiday season is rough. Thanksgiving was rough. This is rough, and it's been rough. It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. So I just want to try and uplift you out there. Because I'm thinking I can't be the only one in the world who has the holiday blahs, or just the blahs, period, and down in the dumps, don't want to get up, don't want to have conversations, don't want to do anything, don't even really care about how you look, etc., etc., etc. By the way, I had to slap this on because what's up under here, trust and believe, you saw it, you'd be like, oh my gosh, she's a wreck. And I am a wreck. But I'm still trying to pull myself together. No, I'm pulling myself together slowly but surely. Because, I know my dad, he would want me to be sad. But I am. I miss him. And just the circumstances around what happened, that it just made it even that much worse. And hopefully I'll continue my channel and I'll get into what happened, which is so devastating. And so pray for me. Pray for me. And I'm going to pray for all of you who are going through the doldrums. For myself, I'm going to try and get around people because I haven't been. I've removed myself because I don't want them to see how sad I am, or I'm not myself, or maybe, I might be a little snippy, a little mean to them. Yeah, I don't want them to see that side to me. But hopefully, I'm going to pull myself up, get out, be around people, maybe go to a Christmas parade. I need to do something because I'm kind of isolated. I'm in rural America, and I'm like 40 minutes away from everything, from stores, shopping, you name it. So on top of the situation, I'm by myself, and I just don't have the energy to want to drive 40 minutes to go into the city. So yes, please leave me a comment, something, a scripture, something to uplift my spirits. I greatly appreciate it. And if I continue with my channel, which I feel very confident that I will, I'm going to be looking for counselors, therapists, people to interview on my channel. So if you know of any, tag them in the comments, because I will be looking to interview grief counselors, grief specialists, mental health counselors, specialists, anything along those lines. Specific type of doctors, caregivers, psychiatrists, pretty much anything in the health field, and even uh, lawyers for some situations that I'm going to be talking about very soon. So yes, if you know of any, tag them, because I will be wanting to interview them very soon, probably in 2020, the beginning of 2025, once we're out of the holiday season, and prayerfully I will be in a better frame of mind, a better state of mind. So again, thank you who have tapped in. I don't know if this resonates with anyone, the blogs, but it has had a chokehold on me, definitely, since Thanksgiving. I actually, even before Thanksgiving, but specifically for the holidays. So hoping to go into 2025 with a better mindset and just feeling happy, uplifted, and God will help heal my pain. So, as He will you as well. So again, leave me a comment if you don't mind. If you know of any therapists, counselors, anyone in the health field, that grief counselors that I might be able to interview, or they might be interested in having me interview them. And leave me a comment or something about what you think I could do to just help get me out of the doldrums. Sometimes talking does help. Actually, I feel a little better, even though I'm talking to a camera, but hopefully some people will tap in and will resonate, and hopefully I'm not the only one out there who, honestly, it would be wonderful if I'm the only one in the doldrums. I'm not wishing this on anyone. I'm not wishing the blogs on anyone. Subscribe if you like. I think I'll be coming back. But yeah, this is actually kind of therapeutic for me, as I'm realizing as I'm sitting here right now. So thank you for tapping in. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Blessings, each and every one of you.